y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaylyn, and in this video I'll be doing a wig review for this wig right here. I got this unit from MyShinyWigs, so I want to give a big thanks to them for sending me this hair. Y'all, the curl pattern on this wig is so pretty, and the color just makes it pop even more. As you can see, it is a highlighted wig and the color blends so nicely throughout the whole wig. So I'm super excited to show you all the details and specs on this hair, and if you want to see and know all the details and how I style this wig, then keep on watching. But before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video for more content like this. So without further ado, let's hop into the video. Alright y'all, so like I said earlier, this wig is from MyShinyWigs, and in the box you'll get a travel bag of some hair tools. The first thing that I seen was this pack of 2 wig caps, a rat tail comb, an edge brush. You'll get a makeup brush and some tweezers. And this is the satin bag that the wig comes in, and the wig also comes with some free headbands. So this is the Miya Highlight Headband Wig in 18 inches. I opted for this length because I thought it would be more natural, given that this is a loose curly texture. And I have no complaints about the packaging of this wig. It comes with a tag that says the length of the wig, and the construction has 4 combs in it, 3 in the front, 1 in the back. It has no adjustable straps, but it does have the Velcro attachment on the headband, and this wig does fit very comfortably. When you're pulling your wig down on your head, make sure that you're grabbing the cap of your wig instead of the headband part of the wig, because that piece of fabric is very flexible and not so sturdy. It can easily rip, so just keep that in mind. So once I just put the wig on my head, this is what the curls look like without any styling at all. And all I did was fluff out the curls by finger combing this wig. That's really all this wig needs, because it's a loose texture. You don't have to put water or mousse or anything like that on it. And also, you really don't want to have to do that anyway, just to preserve your wigs. So I think this is the perfect texture for a beginner or someone that really doesn't want to do too much to their hair and just wants to put it on and go, just because of how the maintenance is so low on this type of hair. So yeah, and I'm just going to keep on fluffing each side, and I'll come back when I'm done to show you the hairstyles. So now I'm showing you how long the 18-inch falls on my back. And for the headband, you could choose whether you want to stick with the standard black one that is already attached to the wig, or if you want to put one on top. And today I just decided to put this solid gray headband on top. For the first style, I always show you this simple flip over for a side part look. The next style is a half up, half down. You've probably seen other YouTubers do this style with a headband wig, but it's so easy and it gives a sporty look in my opinion. So that's why I went ahead and showed you the style with this curly hair. the last style that I showed you is this high ponytail, and I want to show you this style because you can definitely wear this wig to the gym or to work out, and this is how you can style it to go to the gym. Obviously you probably aren't going to want hair all over your neck and shoulders when you're going to the gym, so this is how you can put it up. Or if you're out and about and you just want your hair up, you could put it in a ponytail, and it just gives a very effortless look. Alright y'all, so that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any additional information on this wig, make sure to check out my description box where I'll have all the information down there, as well as the direct link to this wig on the MyShinyWigs website. If this one isn't your taste, you can also go on their website to see several different styles, textures, lengths of wigs that you might be interested in. So definitely check out the links in my description box. And if you want to see more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, and do not forget to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make new videos like this. I'm a college student, so my schedule might not be very consistent, but you do want to know when I do post my next video, so don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye y'all.